بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful.
wal-mursalat urfa.
By those winds sent forth successively,
فالعاصفات عصفا.
and those blowing violently,
والناشرات نشرا.
and those scattering rain clouds widely,
فالفارقات فرقا.
and by those angels fully distinguishing truth from falsehood,
فالملقيات ذكرا.
and those delivering revelation,
عذرا أو نذرا.
ending excuses and giving warnings.
إنما توعدون لواقع.
Surely what you are promised will come to pass.
فإذا النجوم طمست.
So when the stars are put out,
وإذا السماء فرجت.
and the sky is torn apart,
وإذا الجبال نسفت.
and the mountains are blown away,
وإذا الرسل أقتت.
and the messenger's time to testify comes up,
لأي يوم أجلت.
for which day has all this been set?
ليوم الفصل.
For the day of final decision.
وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل.
And what will make you realize what the day of decision is?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
ألم نهلك الأولين.
Did we not destroy earlier disbelievers?
ثم نتبعهم الآخرين.
And we will make the later disbelievers follow them.
كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
This is how we deal with the wicked.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
ألم نخلقكم من ماء مهين.
Did we not create you from a humble fluid,
فجعلناه في قرار مكين.
placing it in a secure place,
إلى قدر معلوم.
until an appointed time?
فقدرنا فنعم القادرون.
We perfectly ordained its development. How excellent are we in doing so?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا.
Have we not made the earth a lodging,
أحياء وأمواتا.
for the living and the dead?
وجعلنا فيها رواسي شامخات وأسقيناكم ماء فراتا.
And placed upon it towering firm mountains, and given you fresh water to drink.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون.
The disbelievers will be told, proceed into that fire which you used to deny.
انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب.
Proceed into the shade of smoke which rises in 3 columns,
لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب.
providing neither coolness nor shelter from the flames.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر.
Indeed, it hurls sparks as big as huge castles,
كأنه جمالة صفر.
and as dark as black camels.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
On that day they will not be in a position to speak,
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون.
nor will they be permitted to offer excuses.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين.
They will be told by Allah, this is the day of final decision. We have gathered you along with earlier disbelievers for punishment.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون.
So if you have a scheme to save yourselves, then use it against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون
Indeed, the righteous will be amid cool shade and springs,
وفواكه مما يشتهون
and any fruit they desire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون.
They will be told, eat and drink happily for what you used to do.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Surely this is how we reward the good doers.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
But woe on that day to the deniers.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون.
Eat and enjoy yourselves for a little while, for you are truly wicked.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون.
When it is said to them, bow down before Allah, they do not bow.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
So what message after this Quran would they believe in?